Hi everybody, Dustin from Equipment Lock here, and I want to take you through some of the differences between our rolling door locks that we offer. The one that's currently installed on the truck here is what we call our heavy-duty rolling door lock. This one does not require any sort of lifting of the door or opening or closing of the door in order to install it. You're able to just simply slide the bottom piece here, and slide the top plate on there, push to lock, doesn't require any interaction with the door. This one features a bottom plate here that you put underneath the door, close the door on top of it. So you can see that bottom bracket now here is secured by the door. Put the outer bracket on here, push to lock, and the load's secure. Depending on your use case, you may prefer one style of lock or the other. For situations where the truck is going to be left unattended, or you're in a high theft area, or you have a high value load, I'd probably recommend the one with the bottom plate here, just to offer a little bit higher level of security with that bottom plate feature. That's just another level of hardening. Hope that video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call or visit us at equipmentlock.com.